Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, your technical expert Udayan Ghosh. Today I will discuss the various C language questions and answers. In the previous sections, I will discuss the various C types questions and answers. As far as the discussion in the next part is concerned, questions and answers will be discussed from today onwards. And this is very important questions for students like class 11 and class 12 students, for computer science students, obviously B.sc and BCA students, and so others. And so let's go started. Today's first question is, what is keyword? And keyword is the very important things in any language. So what is keyword is very much important questions. So what is keyword? Keyword are predefined reserved words used in programming that have special meanings to the compiler. Keyword are predefined reserved words. Predefined is very much important word. Predefined reserved words used in programming that have special meanings to the compiler. Keywords are the part of the syntax and they cannot be used as an identifier. Keywords are the part of the syntax. Keywords are part of the syntax and they cannot be used as an identifier. So what is keywords? Keyword are predefined reserved words used in programming that have special meanings to the compiler. Keywords are the part of the syntax and they cannot be used as an identifier. For example, int number. Here int is a keyword that indicates number is a variable of type int. Int number. Here int is a keyword. And that indicates the number is a variable of type int. So here int is a keyword and that indicates the number of variable of type int. The next question is, write some C keywords. Some C keywords are auto, double, int, float, struct, break, else, long, switch, typedef, char, min, character, extern, return, union, for, continue, if, static, void, while, default, go to, size of, const, mean constant, float, unsigned, etc. So this is the C keywords. The next question is very much important. What is an identifier? An identifier is a user-defined word. User-defined word. Identifiers are names given to different names given to entities such as a constant, variables, structure, function, etc. Identifiers are names given to different names, given to entities such as constants, variables, structure, function, etc. Example, int amount and double total balance. In the above example, amount and total balance are identifiers and int and double are keywords. Int amount and double total balance, in the above example, amount and total balance are identifiers. That are user-defined words. And int and double are keywords, and this is a reserved word, predefined reserved word. So I hope what is the main difference between keyword and identifier is clearly understand. Keyword is predefined reserved words and identifier is a user-defined word. The next question is, what is constant? Constant is a C language is that item whose value remains some during execution of the program. From the beginning till the end of a program. So constant value is not a change. during execution of the program and from the beginning till the end of a program. So what is constant? Constant in C language is the item whose value remains same during execution of the program from the beginning till the end of the program. Integer constant, real constant, string constant and single character constant. Integer constant means 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5, 6 or 5, 1, 3, 2. This is the integer constant. Real constant 0.0083. String constant hello. Any string. Hello, hi, and any company names is a string constant. Single character constant 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. So what is constant and the example of the constants? The constants in C language is the item whose value remains same during execution of the program from the beginning till the end of the program. So clearly understand that the constant is a fixed. That value is not changed during execution of the program from the beginning till the end of a program. Next question, what is string? A string is an array of characters ended with a null character. A string is an array of characters ended with a null character. This null character indicates that string has ended. This null character indicates that string has ended. Strings are always enclosed with double quotes. Cat string 10. So the array of characters size is 10. So 10 characters is content in this string. The cat string 10 equals to study, and the study strings are always enclosed with double quotes. So this is the string and the string example. The next question is write syntax a declaring of string in C language. Declaring a string is as simple as declaring an one-dimensional array. Declaring a string is as simple as declaring an one-dimensional array. Syntax for declaring a string: cat string name size. In the above syntax, string name is any name given to the string variable, and size is used to define the length of the string. And string, that is the number of characters string will store. So the size is used to define the length of the string. Thus define the length of the string. Here 10 is a size that used to define the length of the string. Okay. The next question is, what is special symbol in C language? The symbols that are used in C with some special meaning and for some specific function are called as special symbols. The symbols that are used in C with some special meanings and for some specific function and for some specific functions are called as special symbols. The special symbols being used with context to the programming language or are illustrated below as brackets. These opening and closing brackets are used as array element reference, and this is the special symbol in the C language. The next question is, what is operator? Operator is very much important in any language. So what is operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. Operators are used in programs to manipulate data and variables. And so what is operator? An operator is a symbol. So operators is the always symbols that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. Operators are used in programs to manipulate data and variables. C operator can be classified into a number of categories. They are arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment operator, or increment and decrement operator. decrement operator, decrement operator, conditional operator, bitwise operator, special operator. This is the C operator. The next question is, how many types of C constants are there? Constant is a quantity which cannot be changed during execution of the program. So constants is the quantity which cannot be changed during execution of the programs. Types of constants: integer constant, float or real constant, character constant, string constant. Next question is, what is case sensitive in C? Case sensitive means uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently in C. Uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently in C. What is the difference between constant, variables and keyword? Constants is a fixed quantity which cannot change during executions. Variable holds constant values. We can change its value during execution. Keywords are known as reserved word. And this is the main difference between constants, variables and keywords. The next question, can you declare variable anywhere in C program? No, we cannot declare variable anywhere in C program. Write rules for naming different identifiers. Naming identifiers. A valid identifiers can have letters, digits and underscores. Letters mean both uppercase and lowercase letters. The next point, the first letter of an identifier should be either a letter or an underscore. The first letter of an identifier should be either a letter or an underscore. Third point, you cannot use keywords like int, while, etc. as identifiers. You cannot use keywords. You cannot use keywords like int, while, etc. as identifiers. The next question is, write rules for defining keywords in C language. There are some predefined rules for use the keywords in C programming language. First point, keywords are the words whose meaning has already been explained to the C compiler and their meanings cannot be changed. Keywords are the words whose meaning has already been explained to the C compiler, their meanings cannot be changed. The next point, keywords can be used only for their intended purpose. Third point, keywords cannot be used as user defined variables. Fourth point, all keywords must be written in lowercase. So this is the rule for defining keywords. The next question is, what is the difference between variables and constants? This is very important question in C language. It is a variable. So variable points is, it is a variable that stores data type value in a C program, that stores data type value in C program. And constant, it is a similar to variable and cannot be changed during program execution. The next point, it is a variable that can be changed after defining the variable in a program. And it is a fixed variable that cannot be changed after defining the variable in a program. It is a fixed variable. Constant is a fixed variable that cannot be changed after defining the variable in the program. The next point, the value of a variable can change depending on the conditions. So variable's value of a variable can change depending on the conditions. Or in constant, the value cannot be changed. The next point, variables and constant. It uses int, float, char, string, double, etc. data types in programs. And constant, it can be expressed in two ways: hash defined preprocessor and the const keyword. So this is the main difference between variables and the constants. Today's video will be up to now, and the next part I will discuss the various C tabs and other C language questions and answers. Today's video will be up to now, and if you want to get such videos, please subscribe to my channel and please like and share my video. So thank you very much for watching this video.